I welcome all of you to Get Set HR. This is Vaishali here. So in my previous video, we had talked about Google Forms. Well, by now, I'm sure you all are very comfortable using Google Forms. I just want to talk to you about an alternative which you may consider, which is Microsoft Forms. So without further ado, let's begin. Here it is. When you open Microsoft Forms, you can see two options here, new form and a new quiz. You're going to click on this option and provide this form with a title, say internship feedback. Let's add a description as well, kindly, so and so. Coming to our first question, say your first question is something related to date. Say, when was the starting date of this internship? The respondent can answer in this particular format, month, date, and year. Let's make it a mandatory question because it looks important. Coming to the second question, let it be a rating. How would you rate the mentorship? You can have 5 levels, you can have 3 levels. I think I'm going to go for 5. And symbol, for symbol, you have 2 options, number and star. I'm going to keep it this way. Third question could be something related to choice, maybe. So what was the best part about this internship? First option could be mentorship. Second could be exposure. Third could be learnings. And fourth could be materials. Okay, just options. The respondent can give you multiple answers. For example, he or she can choose mentorship and exposure, or just one maybe, depends on you. Add a new question, say text. So describe your overall experience. Right? So the respondent can give you a long answer. Let's not make it a mandatory question, right? Coming to the fifth question, let's say Likert. I chose this internship based on, right? So your statement 1 could be reputation of the company. Second could be reference. Third could be work culture. Let's keep it 3. And option 1 could be, say, strongly disagree. Option 2 could be disagree. Third, neutral. Fourth, agree. And fifth, strongly agree. Right? Here it is. Now let's preview the form. Looks like this on your PC. And mobile view would be something like this. Short and practical, right? Coming back, we have themes. You can choose a theme from here. A lot of beautiful themes. I think I'm going to go for this one. Right? Looks good. Okay. You can share it. You can copy the link over here and you can circulate it among your friends and your colleagues on WhatsApp, Instagram, LinkedIn. I hope this was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel for more meaningful content. Till then, have a great day ahead and stay safe.